Hello folks, a few months ago Samsung launched the world's first 200 megapixels camera sensor for mobile devices. Although the ISOCELL HP1 sensor hasn't been used in any smartphone yet, its successor is already being developed by the South Korean tech giant. According to a new report from Galaxy Club, Samsung is working on one more 200 megapixels camera sensor. It's called the ISOCELL HP3. While there are no specifics around the upcoming sensor's pixel size, optical format or video recording support, it could come with various improvements. The changes will mainly focus on computational algorithm improvements. There is no information on which phone could actually use the ISOCELL HP3. Neither the Galaxy Flip 4 nor the Galaxy Fold 4 are expected to use a 200 megapixels camera sensor. The latter reportedly features a 108 megapixels primary camera. There were rumors regarding the Galaxy S23 using a 200 megapixel camera sensor, but nothing is set in stone yet. Perhaps the new sensor will one-up the flagships from Motorola or Xiaomi, which seem to have called dibs on cameos of Samsung's most resolute camera sensors before they have been used them in its own phones. A 200 megapixel sensor sounds overkill, yet chipsets like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 support this as the maximum single camera resolution, and Samsung is nothing but maximalist when it comes to phones in its Ultra line. The magic of non-SL pixel binding will result in breathtaking pixel size on such a high-res camera, so we can't wait to see when there will be a 200 megapixels camera phone indeed, and what new level of detail it will bring to the mobile photography table. It will be cool to have on a phone, but at the same time I understand that until the social media sites start allowing higher res videos and photos, I'd say start working on better battery life maybe. What do you think, guys? What is more important now, the number of megapixels or something else? Let us know in the comment section below. Anyway, we can argue about megapixels, but we can't argue that Samsung is the undisputed king of the foldable smartphone market, and its success can largely be attributed to the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which was the most popular bendable phone last year. Samsung's foldable phones feature a dual battery setup, and apparently the Flip 4 will have a bigger sub-battery. This will bump the total advertised capacity to 3,400 mAh, which would be an increase of 100 mAh compared to its predecessors. Granted, it's a minor change, but it's at least something. Besides, the battery capacity is not the only thing that impacts battery life. The processor also plays an important part, and a reliable insider has said that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which will be built on a more advanced node than the chip that fuels the Flip 3, and this should theoretically make the device more power efficient. There is still no word on whether the device will also support charging speeds faster than 15 watts. However, Rosyan has highlighted the possibility that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 covered display is going to be larger than that of its predecessor. The actual size hasn't been revealed, but it's expected to be more than 2 inches. If that is true, it will be a substantial improvement over the existing device, which has a 1.9-inch cover display. A bigger cover display would mean that users won't have to unfold their phones all the time. The Galaxy Flip 4 will likely be introduced in August alongside the Fold 4 and the Galaxy Watch 5. Guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends, subscribe for new videos, and good luck!